Hey there, boys and girls, crazy people of all ages. I am your guy, Star Trek guy, and I'm here. So today we're going to talk about how we classify different things, and we started to talk about that a little bit in class with Legos. And if we didn't, I'm sorry about that. So today I thought it'd be kind of fun to talk about how we classify masks, because that's something that we're all dealing with, right? So masks. One of the things that scientists do to make things make sense more is they get very specific with their classifications. So I'm going to go ahead and make a couple of different lines off of here. We're going to do made masks that are homemade typically. Then I've got Halloween masks, or decorative. We'll do decorative / Halloween. Cool. Then over here, I'm going to do purchased masks or bought masks. Then down here, I'm going to do professional masks. All right, and we're going to now take it from these four things to get more specific about each one. So the first one let's talk about is made masks. So these are either going to be cloth or paper. And from there, we can either tie them or use elastic. All right, and so for paper, kind of the same thing. They're either going to be tied or elastic again. And from there, we could pretty much determine what we're talking about as far as homemade masks go. Next, let's talk about decorative masks. So we've got decorative, we've got Halloween, we've got party. Of course, we've got the classic bank robber. I feel like we're pretty good there. Don't really need to go into that one too much more. Of course, what materials they're made out of, we could get into on that. So there might be plastic, could be metal, could be, I don't know, rubber. Oh yeah, like those fake president masks. Those are always fun. Okay, now let's talk about bought masks or purchased masks. We've got the classic cloth ones that I got from the store the other day. There are those nice paper ones that you can get just about everywhere nowadays. Then we've got those cool plastic ones that you see people wearing sometimes. I really like those because it blocks a lot of extra airflow. Next, let's get more specific on each of these. So we are going to say cloth is either going to be an ear strap or a tie. And with paper, I don't think I've seen any that are ties like that, but I have seen ones that are ear strap or head strap where it goes on the back side of the head. All right, and then for plastic, we've got the visor, we've got the eyeglasses one. I'm just gonna put glasses. That's probably gonna bug somebody I didn't capitalize. Sorry, y'all. And then I've got the elastic band. Okay, go back here to the cloth ones. I know that there are some that you can purchase that have that little vent on them. Run out of room. Okay, here again, we've got the ones with the little vent. And then head strap ones can also sometimes have that vent on them. And we also would put no vent, right? Because there's another option where they don't have any vent. No vent. Cool. So then elastic, pretty much your visor, your glasses, or elastic are how the plastic ones look when they're on your face. Then let's get into the really cool ones, the professional masks. Here we've got our gas mask. We have oxygen masks. We've got fighter pilot masks. Yes, they're a separate category. We've got fire masks, so for like firemen, first responders, fire women, all y'all who have those cool masks. We've got the cool construction masks. So from here, we could get even more specific with each of these and talk about things like color or the material that it's specifically made out of, what types of cloth or what types of paper. We could talk about different colored plastic masks, whether they've got the cute little decorations on them. And we get more and more specific until we are so specific that you could go to the store with the list, breaking it down, and find exactly which thing you're looking for. So this is something that we scientists like to do to help us organize and keep things set so that this way we know exactly what type of an organism we're talking about or what type of even machine parts we might be talking about or engineering designs we might be talking about. So in any rate, when we're breaking things down in an organizational pattern like this, we're doing it to help it make sense, and we're doing it so that we're specific and not being very confused with each of those things. Thank you very much.